Hello everybody and welcome back to Sweden and to my workshop. I have decided to start moving into the area of quenching. You have watched my videos, have seen that the stuff that I've been doing hasn't really had a need for a quench. It's been like hooks and stuff like that. I did make a punch and it failed on me the other day because it was too soft. And combine that with that I'm now starting to make more tools that's going to take heavier abuse in the workshop. Like previous video here you saw me making a hot cut tool. And the metal in the hot cut tool is actually quite hard. And I did that with a thought that if I do that I could just push the quenching part forward and don't really be bothered about that. But I started thinking when I was making this, how does the metal react? I mean, I've seen a lot of videos where people quench and all that stuff, and I know that the fibers in the metal, the structure, it changes when you heat and cool it down, heat and cool it down. So I've decided I can't really push it anymore. I need to learn this skill to be better at the craft. And even if that hot cut tool metal is fine, maybe one day I don't have any really hard metal and I have a softer metal, I need to make it harder. That's where this skill really comes into play. So I've decided to start making a more conscious effort on my pieces. And to do this, I'm gonna need a container. The water is already fine. I have a metal bucket there. The water gets really warm and it's already pretty good. So I'm going to use this 5mm plate and I'm going to weld this 8mm, not millimeters, centimeters, because my hands would be really small. This 8mm square tubing on top. And once I got that tight and sealed down here, I'm going to fill it up with oil. So, not really sure what oils I'm going to work with. I have a couple already, like chainsaw oil. I have some motor oil. So I'm going to test these out and start researching more on what types of oil I should use to what types of metal. Because I listened to episode 12, I think it was, of the Forge Cast, and they talked a lot about different types of quenches for different types of metals. So this is not as easy as I thought it was from the first. I just thought, stick it into a bucket of water, maybe put it in the oven, and I'll be fine. Not really that simple. So start is with the container, and then after that I'm going to move on to making a video about a test quench. You can go to my YouTube page, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, please make a comment. But now let's get into the video. So, I have a sneaking suspicion this did not go well. It felt like I had really a big issue when I was welding there, because you can see the plate here warped a bit, and I saw the gaps and stuff everywhere. So I have no real great expectations about this, but we're going to pour some water. We'll see what's going on in here. Not too bad actually. It's leaking some. I guess I just have to clean it up a bit and then go for round 2. Right, that did not work actually at all. The more I welded on it, the more it just warped. So instead I got a bigger plate, and that was a lot better, I must say. It was not prone to bending, it got more stability. Had like a small leak up more against the pipe, but I sorted that out with my amazing welding skills. All you welders out there, please look away. But anyways, this is finished. So the next video that's coming out, we're gonna do a test quench, and hopefully that will be successful. I'm gonna read up on how to do it and try to find out what kind of steel, because I have a lot of mystery steel, so I'm gonna try to find out what is the one I have. I think I have some mild steel that I know what it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I got a recommendation for this week. If you all already haven't done it, I would suggest that you all go and check out the page called Black Bear Forge. I look at his videos a lot. This guy, I think his name is John. I look at his stuff a lot, and he is very, very good at explaining what it is that you do with simple tools, or just with basic smithing. That's one of my big inspirations, and this week I've started a project on a drift, and I've looked at his videos up a lot on that one. So that is my recommendation for the week, Black Bear Forge. I'm going to leave a link downstairs as well. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And I wish you all a very nice day, and I hope that you stay creative.